Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today I got a new product. It's the Air Purifier by TAOTRONICS. And this is a great little piece of equipment to keep all your rooms air purified, to help control all the dust and germs flying around in your rooms. Great way to fight, maybe COVID. So I think it's a good idea to keep one of these around in one of your rooms in your house, if not all of them. So let's check it out, see how this thing operates. As we open up the box, I see we have a gratuity card. Check them out with their service if you need to on this product. Next is your air filter manual. It's very complete, has all the components, how they work. All right, getting the stickers out of the way. All around the top of it, you can see the exhaust grill. And in the center where we pull the stickers off, that's your control console. And quickly taking a look at all the sides of it. It's hard molded plastic. You can see their emblem up top. As you rotate it, you can see all the vents go all the way around the sides. That's the intake where it sucks all the air into the HEPA filter. Taking a look at the bottom of the air purifier, you can see there's 4 rubber standoffs on there. There's a handle on the bottom that you have to unlock. You simply twist it to the open position and pull up, and that allows you access to your HEPA filter. All right, reaching down in there, pulling it out, we have our power brick. It has a nice long cord on it, so you can easily reach your receptacle. Here's our HEPA filter. Now I'm going to take a little time here and explain how HEPA filter works. All right, so the acronym HEPA means high efficiency particulate air. And so how this process works, first you have your pre-filter, which captures all the large particles like hair, dandruff, dust, dirt, anything that flies in through the filter that needs to be captured right away. And then the air passes through the HEPA filter, which is the pleated high-efficiency filter we talked about. And the last stage is active carbon filter, which removes household odors and noxious gases. I want to show you the controls on the top of the air purifier and how they work. And at the bottom, you have your power on-off button and also standby mode. And moving in a clockwise fashion, you have your auto off timer, cycles through 2 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, and so forth. And next you have your filter reset indicator button, and this flashes when the filter shall be replaced. On top we have the child lock button. This turns on the lock function to prevent misoperations. Moving along, we have the light on-off button. This turns on the indicator lights. Last but not least, you have your fan speed button. It cycles through low, medium, and high. It has auto and sleep mode. Folks, I've had this in my house now for over a month in my living room. Works great, takes out all the dust. I haven't had the dust in there at all. I don't think I'm gonna have to with this guy. It works great. The air smells good in there. It just has a better feeling. I'm gonna be putting one of these in every one of my rooms just to take out all that icky smell that might be in the house. I think it's all contributed to that 3-stage filter structure that's in this. It is the air purifier filter that's comprised of, as you saw in my video, the pre-filter. Then it has the H13 True HEPA filter system and an active carbon trap at the end, which takes out 99.97 particles. And as fine as 0.3 microns. That's tiny. That's odors in the house. The air purifier for your home will take out pet danders, pollen, allergens, smoke, odors, and dust from the air in order to create a healthy environment for you and your family. Great little purifier. I like the smart mode. It's equipped with the sensor for the real-time air quality monitoring, the air purifier put this in your room, it automatically switches the speeds based on the air quality in your room. If you want to put this air purifier in your bedroom, it allows you to choose a suitable speed among low, medium, and high. The fan is really whisper quiet. You can hardly hear it when it's on low. You can pick up this product on TAOTRONICS website or Amazon for $69.99, and I'll leave that quick link down below. You can also get the HEPA filters on Amazon too. This air purifier worked great. I don't even have to dust anymore. It's amazing. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. Product did what it was supposed to do and more. So if you think this review has helped you and make the decision on purchasing this air purifier or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me the big thumbs up? Because it really does help my channel grow. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button down below. And also the bell to the right, because that lets you know when my upcoming videos are coming out. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.